I'm going to add the gold and the wet filter paper to my melt dish over here, and then cover it with some borax. Now we're going to cover it with a liberal amount of borax, so it'll help keep the paper in the dish when I do the melt. No traces of contamination. Bright yellow pure gold. 1.5 troy ounces, about 45 or so grams. Ooh, it's 52.1675 troy ounces. Nice piece of gold there. Absolutely pure with no traces of contamination. Probably close to 4.9's fine. I'll go ahead and put the filter with the gold in it, transfer it into this melt dish here. That's okay. And here's our finished product. 2.8 troy ounce pure gold bar. Here's our nice little gold bar. Give this to the jeweler tomorrow. Should be real happy with that. That's very, very bright and shiny. Looks like real pure gold. See what kind of weight we get off of this thing. We got 29.5 grams of pure gold. I'm going to start the melt now. Start it off with the nat gas torch. All right, we had to break the mold to get that out of there. some flux came over with the pour, and glued the bar into the mold. So we had to break that mold to get it out of there. Here's our gold bar. Here's our gold bar that we just poured. Had to break the mold to get it out of there. And now we're going to get a weight on it. See how much this thing weighs. It's 135.1 grams, or 4.34 troy ounces. Nice. Just like that. Now I'm going to put it down here on my melt table. We're going to go ahead and melt this up into a nice bar. And here's our little loaf of pure gold. We're going to weigh it now, see how close we got to 1 troy ounce. Looks like it's about 31.0. It's just shy of a troy ounce. It's got 999 fine gold, 31 grams, and then 3 tips stamped right here. And then down here it says 0.995 OZT, which is troy ounces. 0.995 troy ounces. So that's the final product. Holy cow, I did it. Alright, here we go. Here's our bar of pure gold. It's got some nice pour lines on it. And that thing looks great, man. Let's get a weight on it. We've got 274.0 grams. Alright, I got 8.8 troy ounces. 24K pure gold bar. Alright, we got 20 troy ounces of pure gold in here now. And what we'll do is we'll get this up into that electric furnace that I've got, melt it up. It gets a lot hotter than just a crucible with a torch. This is a brand new graphite crucible. Go ahead and get this into the crucible now. And we'll get this heating up and get it melted. And I've got some pieces of gold here that stayed in the crucible. I'm going to put them on here because they're included with the weight of this bar. Alright, that's 12.2 grams. And then here's the bar. So we end up with 603.8 grams. 19.4 troy ounces of pure gold. Here's our bar. Came out pretty good. Oxalic acid precipitation. We're going to do it, put it up here on a scale. See what kind of yield we got here. We got 13.1 grams of pure gold. Okay, I tried to go ultra small on a bar, and this is as small as I could get, man. I tried over and over. This is some high purity gold, nice looking little loaf there, a little bitty one. We got 8.7 grams. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp 999 gold and 3 tips. There's not enough room to put all the other information on this little bar, man. Alright, here's the finished little bar here. Came out pretty good. Nice shape to it. I didn't have enough room to put the weight and all that on there. I just put 999 gold, 3 tips. And it weighs in at 8.7 grams. This is my electrolytic gold refining cell. In the beaker there it says 3 tips. You can see that I have an anode bar suspended in the chloroauric acid solution, which is the electrolyte. I think the concentration on that was 100 grams per liter of pure gold. And I had to heat it up to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can see the anode bar is getting smaller as the cathode in the back is getting larger. Here I switch the angle. You can see now the cathode is on the left and it's getting larger as the gold deposits on that cathode. The cathode is a piece of pure gold that I rolled thin from a Canadian maple leaf coin. And I rolled it to about 8 thousandths thickness, and then I connected the negative side of the power supply to that cathode. And you can see the anode bars just being dissolved into nothing. Here in this next clip right here, it's going to just fall off and drop to the bottom of the cell. And what we're doing here is electrolytic gold refining. I've dried it off. Now we're going to throw it up here on the scale and see what it weighs. We've got 27.7 grams of absolutely pure gold. The book says this should be about 9997 in purity. Okay, here's our gold. Gonna dump tap water off now. All right, here we go. We get our gold in this container right here. And out of there. That's it. Got it all out of there. I can't get over it. Every time I do this, I am still amazed at how this metal looks. I'm gonna set our container up here. Let this dry off, get a weight on it. Here's our pure gold. It's just beautiful. We got the beaker up here, tared to 0. Let's pour it right in here and see what we got here. What kind of yield we're gonna have out of all this. And we've got 348.8 grams. Oh, a total of 11.2 dry ounces of pure gold. Fantastic. All right, here we go. Get it in some water. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Beautiful. I wasn't quite sure if I should do this or not, but oh good Lord, look at that thing, man. It's got a little bit of frost on that one end. That's probably for some contamination that was in the dish. That's quite all right. This is going into my big refiner. So, wow, look at that thing, man. 10 troy ounces of pure gold. I'm just speechless, man. It's just so beautiful. It came out real good. got a little bit of frost on that one end. That's okay. This is high purity gold, probably close to 999. 39's fine. Let's see what we got on the weight here. 11 ounce. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. There we go. 10.105 troy ounces of pure gold. And I've just got to tell you, there is nothing, and I mean nothing, like the feel of 10 troy ounces of pure gold in the palm of your hand. Okay, look at this beauty. My goodness, it takes your breath away. To see high purity gold like this, I mean, most people never get to see gold this pure. I was expecting 131 grams of an estimated yield from our material. We're a little over. That can be expected because those catches were different carats of gold, 14 and 10. So 133.8. Boom, we're done. Boom, we're done. Wow, look at that thing. You can get even close on that piece if you want. Look at that thing, man. All right, it came out good. I'm pleased. Oh, yeah. You see it?
Gorgeous.
All right, I'm going to put it in this water. There you go. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Wow.
Okay, here's our bar that we just poured. And the camera work for that pour was done by my lovely daughter, Lisa. Thank you so much. And now what we're going to do is put this thing on the scale. We were expecting 22 troy ounces. And we got 22.49, say 22.5 troy ounces of pure gold. Let's try it with one of these. See if I can get it to come out of there. Thing's hot, man. There we go. Bang. It's still warm. Oh, Lord. Look at that thing, man. Oh, my goodness. Holy cow, man. Oh, my goodness. I am just in utter speechlessness. Look at that thing, man. It's a brick of pure gold. Good Lord. I can see myself. Good Lord, this thing is gorgeous. We were expecting, what, 53 ounces, troy ounces. We got 1,603 grams. That's 51.5 troy ounces. I'm happy. I'm glad this is over. But I am very, very pleased with this thing, man. Oh, good Lord. Okay, this will conclude part 4 of the 50 troy ounce mega monster bar. Thank you for watching.